Are you struggling to find new clients as a freelancer? Does it feel like no matter what you do, your client base just won't grow? You're not alone. Expanding your client base isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Today, we're diving into 5 actionable ways you can expand your client base as a freelancer. Expanding your client base is crucial for creating more opportunities and increasing your income. The more clients you have, the more stability and growth potential you gain in your freelance business. Welcome to Side Hustle Mornings, where we help you learn crucial skills and strategies to kickstart an exciting side hustle before your regular job even begins. Utilize social media platforms effectively. Social media is a powerful tool for freelancers. Start by creating a strong online presence on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Here are some detailed strategies. Optimize your profiles. Make sure your profiles are professional and showcase your best work. Use a high-quality photo, write a compelling bio, and list your skills and services. Consistent posting. Regularly post updates about your projects, share industry news, and offer valuable tips. Consistency keeps you in the minds of potential clients. Engage with your audience. Engage with potential clients by commenting on their posts, sharing valuable content, and joining relevant groups. Respond promptly to messages and comments to build relationships. Use hashtags strategically. Research and use relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your posts. This helps in reaching a broader audience who might be interested in your services. Leverage stories and live sessions. Use Instagram and Facebook stories to give a behind-the-scenes look at your work process. Host live sessions to answer questions and interact with your audience in real time. Check out the Side Hustle Mornings Routine digital course. It's not just about making money. It's about gaining knowledge in critical areas like YouTube, affiliate marketing, content creation, keyword research, search engine optimization, content writing, and Fiverr and Upwork partnerships to build a sustainable business. What are you waiting for? Head to the description and get your ticket to freedom. Network both online and offline. Networking is essential for growing your client base. Here are some effective strategies. Join online communities. Participate in forums, LinkedIn groups, and Facebook groups relevant to your industry. Share your knowledge, answer questions, and connect with other members. Attend webinars and online events. Join webinars and online events related to your field. These events are great opportunities to learn and network with industry professionals. Local meetups and industry events. Attend local meetups, conferences, and industry events. These face-to-face interactions can lead to a meaningful connection and potential clients. Follow up. Always follow up after meeting someone new. Send a quick email or message to thank them for their time and express your interest in staying connected. Offer incentives for referrals and repeat business. One of the most effective ways to grow your client base is through referrals. Here are some practical strategies. Referral programs. Create a referral program where current clients can earn discounts or bonuses for referring new clients to you. Make sure the incentive is appealing enough to motivate them. Thank you gifts. Send personalized thank you gifts or handwritten notes to clients who refer new business. This shows appreciation and encourages them to refer more clients. Loyalty discounts. Offer loyalty discounts to clients who repeatedly use your services. This not only encourages repeat business, but also strengthens your relationship with them. Follow-up system. Develop a system for following up with clients after completing a project. A simple check-in email can keep you top of mind for future projects or referrals. Showcase your expertise through content marketing. Content marketing is an excellent way to demonstrate your skills and knowledge. Here are some tips to get started. Start a blog. Create a blog on your website where you share valuable insights, tips, and case studies related to your niche. Optimize your posts for SEO to attract organic traffic. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for popular blogs in your industry. This exposes you to a new audience and establishes you as an expert in your field. Create video content. Start a YouTube channel or create video tutorials showcasing your skills. Video content is highly engaging and can attract a wide audience. Leverage podcasts. Start your own podcast or become a guest on existing ones. Discuss industry trends, share your experiences, and offer advice to listeners. Content calendar. Develop a content calendar to plan and schedule your posts. Consistency is key in content marketing, so make sure you're regularly sharing valuable content. Showcasing your expertise through content marketing helps you build trust with potential clients and positions you as a thought leader in your field. This can lead to more inquiries and ultimately more clients. Collaborate with other freelancers or businesses. Collaborations can open up new opportunities for expanding your client base. Here are some ways to collaborate effectively. Find complementary services. Identify freelancers or businesses that offer services complementary to yours. For example, if you're a graphic designer, collaborate with a web developer or copywriter. Joint projects. Work on joint projects where you can combine your skills to offer a more comprehensive solution to clients. This can attract clients looking for a one-stop solution. Cross-promotion. Promote each other's services to your respective audiences. This can help you reach a wider audience and attract new clients. Bundle services. Create service bundles with other freelancers. For example, a complete branding package that includes design, web development, and content writing. Network with agencies. Partner with agencies that may need your freelance services for specific projects. This can lead to steady work and new client referrals. Collaborating with other freelancers or businesses allows you to offer more value to your clients and reach a broader audience. It's a great way to expand your network and grow your client base. Bonus tips for expanding your client base. Thanks for sticking with us so far. As a token of appreciation, here are a few bonus tips to further help you expand your client base. Investing in professional development is crucial. Continuously improve your skills by taking courses, attending workshops, and staying updated with industry trends. A well-rounded skill set makes you more attractive to potential clients. Additionally, create a strong portfolio that showcases your best work in a well-organized manner. Include diverse projects that highlight your versatility and expertise. Regularly seek feedback from your clients to understand their needs better and improve your services. Positive feedback can also be used as testimonials. Staying organized is another key aspect. Use project management tools to keep track of deadlines, client communications, and tasks. Being organized helps you deliver projects on time and maintain a professional image. Develop a unique brand identity that reflects your values and strengths. Consistent branding across all platforms can help you stand out in a crowded market. By incorporating these bonus tips, you can further enhance your efforts to grow your client base and achieve long-term success in your freelance career. To recap, here are the 5 actionable ways to expand your client base as a freelancer. Number 1, utilize social media platforms effectively. Number 2, network both online and offline. Number 3, offer incentives for referrals and repeat business. Number 4, showcase your expertise through content marketing. And number 5, collaborate with other freelancers or businesses. Start implementing these tips and strategies today to see significant growth in your freelance business. Expanding your client base is all about working smarter, not harder. Remember, this information is just a glimpse of what you can learn in the Side Hustle Mornings Routine digital course. For more in-depth strategies and expert insights, be sure to check out the course and take your freelance business to the next level. Link in the description below. See you in the next one. Good luck.